Hello! In this video I show all about maintenance on MAXIFY GX series printer, including print head replacement. Find the following in this video and my detailed product review in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's start with maintenance menu. With this two-line LCD display, there are common functions like nozzle check, print head and roller cleaning, print head alignment, emergency ink flush and transport mode. I start with nozzle check print to check the health of the print head, and it displays the counter and firmware. Same maintenance functions can be accessed via Canon Print app. Tap the printer icon to see the ink status and maintenance cartridge level. I log into device remote interface by logging using device serial number as default admin password. I have set up the printer and connect to the Canon Print app in one of the previous videos in the upper right corner. Here are now the maintenance utilities on the mobile. From the computer, you can do similar via Canon Inkjet Assistant tool or Maintenance tab in the driver. The driver and software were installed in the video in the upper right corner. I find the same functions including auto power on-off and quiet mode settings. I shortly comment on the ink flush, which is recommended only in emergency situation when deep cleaning procedures cannot recover the print head. This puts a lot of ink into maintenance cartridge. Here is remaining ink notification setting, as this device has ink sensor in every ink tank. For the demonstration, I print the print head alignment value. In more detail, I have demonstrated adjustments and roller cleanings in the video about multifunctional models of this series, in the upper right corner of the screen. Select printer information to see counter value and serial number of the device. I log into device remote interface by logging using device serial number as default admin password, which is the same page as previously via mobile app. I select roller cleaning, which can be used when paper pickup is not correct. Find more info in the online manuals. I search for the instructions here. I recommend to set the notifications for errors via printer settings menu, where you can be notified when it comes to different errors. You get email notification, but scan to email settings need to be done. To find more about details on scan to email SMTP settings on MAXIFY GX series, find the video in the upper right corner. Find more about errors in the list of errors included in the online manuals. In the next part, I replace the print head. Follow my button press order to get into print head replacement procedure, as this is not part of the maintenance menu. and then follow the on-screen steps. Here I took out the GX series print head. I put it back now, and then the print head alignment is recommended to optimize the quality. In this video I put back the same print head and not a new one. That is why I get this message on the screen. The print head replacement puts a significant amount of ink into the maintenance cartridge. So I just got an error that it became full after the replacement. Let's check the printer status on the mobile, and the maintenance cartridge is full. MCG01 is compatible with this series. It can be easily replaced by user. The capacity is about 10,000 pages in normal use, if there is no additional cleaning. I put the user cartridge to disposal bag and check the status of the printer again. In the last part, I select to transport the printer via printer menu. These printers need to be kept in the horizontal position while transporting. This model closes the ink valve inside the printer automatically and then turns off. The printer is ready for transport. Here I push down the cover open sensor to show how valve moves automatically. Now printer is ready to print after transporting. And that would be all in this video. Find more about MAXIFY GX series in the playlist on my channel, and feel free to subscribe to support more content about printers in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.